How to disable video autoplay in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to disable video autoplay in Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. And then you can tap the three-line icon at top right corner. Once you access setting and activity, scroll down. Now look for the option of data usage and media quality and tap to access it. And in order to disable video autoplay, you can turn on data saver. When data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. This means this will disable video autoplay in Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.